Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and today we are on a rooftop in Seattle, Washington to do some beautiful couple photos. Before we get into the behind the scenes, I want to thank my sponsor KEH Camera for making this free photography tutorial possible. KEH Camera is where you can buy, sell, trade in, and repair used camera equipment, both film and digital. You can save hundreds of dollars when you opt to buy used versus purchasing new. And buying used doesn't mean that the equipment is damaged in any way. In fact, KEH is very transparent about their quality. So there's a whole tier system. So you can go from excellent plus, which is essentially like new, all the way down to bargain, where there's going to be some cosmetic scratches, but nothing affects the glass or picture quality, allowing you as the photographer to save so much on your purchase. And just because stuff is used doesn't mean that it's old. KEH offers all of the best sellers from Sony to Nikon, Canon. The Canon 5D Mark IV is one of their best sellers and what I primarily shoot with. If you're interested, I do have a code, and I also have a bonus if you want to sell some of your camera gear that's been collecting dust in the closet. You can use the code right here or down below to get 5% off when you shop, or a 5% bonus when you sell. Lastly, here's the thing. When you buy used on a social media marketplace or a third-party auction site, you have no actual idea about what you're going to receive. The item could be damaged because you're blindly trusting a seller. With KEH, everything is thoroughly quality inspected, and like I said, there's a transparent quality ranking system, so you know exactly what you're buying versus buying from someone you don't know, an unknown source. You can trust KEH. It's linked down below. Save it, bookmark it for later because it's an amazing resource. And let's hop right into the tutorial. Anya, you're gonna be here leaning against this, and then your actually front hand leaning against this, other hand here. Stenson, you're holding her hand and you're kind of standing here like this moment. Okay, so Anya, you're gonna be here. And then we have this beautiful light in the back, and then hold hands for me, beautiful. Come back here in this little corner, and then you're gonna put your arm around her waist like this. Okay. Yeah, let's do now, I really want you to pull her into you. Yep, beautiful. So let's even do, maybe Stetson, turn even more towards Anya. Yeah, there we go, there we go. And then that will allow her to lean in a little bit. Okay, so let's do, Anya, you're gonna like fluff your dress. Yeah, beautiful. And then Stetson, bring your hand up more on the waist. Yeah, beautiful. We always want to, and actually, you know what, add a bend to your elbow for me. So these are just close up. So also Stetson, I'm gonna have you pop your thumb out of your pocket. Beautiful. Now let's do one. I'm gonna have you guys be side by side. Anya, you're gonna be giving leg. So you're gonna be sitting here and give the leg. We're gonna do a little amputation. Okay, and then Stetson, you're gonna be at her side, and I want you guys to just hold hands real quick. And maybe we almost do like a fake 1-2 step kind of thing, where you guys are gonna be stepping, let's do stepping this way rather than out towards me. Give him a big old squeeze-a-roo. And then... Sorry. Beautiful. my God. Oh, no, like, if I show you this, it's over. Like, he's on one knee. Like, this is a moment of you. I'm sorry? I didn't even, I'm sorry?
Okay, this
a moment when he looks and he looks at the when he gives you a kiss on the hand, mademoiselle. Like wee. Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, you guys are so cute. Photographer, if you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, Build and Bloom is my free Facebook group where you can ask questions related to your specific photography business. Whether you need help on building out your website or feedback on how to respond to a difficult client situation, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. You can join it on Facebook groups. Be sure that you hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free tutorials for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next photography posing tutorial. Click right here to watch and learn.